a solution to reducing the harmful effect of smoke in the home. The smokeless stove. These specially designed stoves have been created to reduce indoor smoke and protect the environment as we save on food. This has ecological benefit as fuel wood is not that wasted. The use of smokeless stove help ward off several respiratory disease. There is no smoke emission from the smokeless stove which wards off illness. The stove can be built from local sand and cow dung. Wood burning stoves are an energy-efficient and cost-effective way to heat your home. The renewable heat stove produce very low carbon emissions, which is a great deal for the environment. The stoves also contribute to improving power outage, providing light and water even when there is no electricity. Smokeless fuel is a much safer alternative to smoke-produced fuel, particularly when wood burning, cooking fires, and stove produce a range of toxic gases and particulate matter, what can increase a person's risk of developing heart and lung disease. If you are wondering which smokeless fuel is best to use for your multi-fuel stove, you should try arbitrary or hard to.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.